I don't know what you heard about me. But a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking B.I.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still hitting them counters in them lolos, girl. Still taking my time.
Like he pee up on the track, I swear that you'll see the best. Hey yo, my name is Eric Dunn, and my pussy is wet. Wait, bro, what?
Tell the class why you're so late. Someone told me to go to hell. Couldn't find it at first, but now I'm here.
This, I'm done with you.
Wait.
What?
Fuck you, bitch!
Change, please.
Sorry, dude, I don't have any.
No, honey, change that outfit because it is bananas.
You will love me. Okay.
They say the first thing you notice about someone is the way they look at you. But the first thing I notice is the booty.
What the fuck?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Surprise.
Surprise who?
Surprise, mother.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Guys, my vines aren't all about hot women. They're about fitness too. Sprinkles, jumping jacks! See? Fitness. Damn it, Grandma! We the first black gang! And we ain't afraid of nothing! And we hate white people! Maybe we can't see them, but we know when they're close! I can smell one now. Me too!
There's no going back.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
It's my money and I need it now!
It's my money and I need it now!
Shut the fuck up!
School is so fucking stressful. I wish that bitch can blow up.
So ugly today.
Today? Bitch, you was ugly last night, last week, last year, prom, graduation. Girl, you know it's good once you back that ass up. You's a fine motherfucker once you back that ass up.
Finish it. Flawless victory.
I have lived 1,000 years. When I look into your eyes.
We're broke. I thought we had $100,000 in the bank. We did. And then I got a little carried away and bought a dinosaur. You bought a dinosaur? Have you seen Jurassic Park, Shane? They're fucking beautiful.
Now you fucked up! You're in my domain now, bitch.
このままでは小生は希代の裏切り者呂布や義援と同じ小生は一体
You shitting me?
Se fodeu.
That's my dad! Oh, that's my dad! Just give me your butt.
No!
Give me that butt.
Give me that butt!
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Bobby.
Nope.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!